Barksdale provides durable pressure switches, transducers, temperature controls, valves, and related control products designed for precision performance in fluid power and industrial process systems. Barksdale pressure switches and transducers support reliable control and accurate measurement across absolute, differential, and gauge pressure ranges. The temperature controls and transducers help maintain precision in industrial and commercial systems. Barksdale valves help regulate pressure, flow, and system movement in harsh environments where dependable performance, safety, and long-term reliability are critical. Barksdale level products support accurate control, continuous measurement, and clear local indication. Flow switches and regulators help detect, control, and protect critical systems in demanding industrial applications. With more than 30 years of experience and one of the largest Barksdale inventories in the U.S., FLW supports engineers, OEMs, and maintenance teams with dependable Barksdale solutions and expert product support. Many products are in stock and ready to ship, making it easier than ever to shop Barksdale online at store.flw.com.